Horseshoe chair, anybody? That's cool. Dumpster Jerry, what's in the box? I'll tell you right now. Young turkeys. 12 to 16 pounds. What a waste. 8 turkeys uncooked. Wow. You never know what you're going to find on the curb. That's not something I want. They be jamming. It looks like copper to me. Oh yeah. Big old motor. Whew. Pop that piece out. Try to get the wheel off, and there's a piece of cast. And that beauty. It's one of those UK skips. Don't see many rollback dumpsters like this size. What? Got a wheelchair? Lawnmower motor? Sweet. Junky old blinds. Look out, lizard. Look out, lizard. What's in the box? Oh, boy. Alright, hold on. Anybody need a whole box of flat rate envelopes? Waste. Some black iron pipe, nice and heavy, sweet. And we got 30 minutes before the scrapyard closes. Let's go see what else we can find. I sold that lawnmower, and I sold this wrought iron grape leaf table. Gonna drop them off after scrapyard. 1970s iron board. Tell by that fine green color. Whew. That is a color right there. Found your old record, simple man. Just the covers. No records. Someone got themselves a big old aluminum pole. It's in decent shape. Ouch. Step sideways. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think the rat man just got himself a new Chester drawer. Microwave. Oh crap. One wall air conditioner. Yeah, I don't need no boat seat. Cool. What do we got? Yeah. Let's see what's in the box. My favorite. Christmas lights. Oh boy. And we'll just take the whole tote and be done with it. Xander, we'll put give it them them cherry palms, put on your truck. Make it sound louder.
Here, all that steel can go.
Cool, we got some more steel. More steel for the trailer. Oh yeah, it's goodies day. I'm on the 2nd Street and I'm already getting full. Of course, that Chester drawer, we're gonna go back and drop that off. But yeah, look at all this good stuff. Oh yeah. There's a whole box full of goodies. Sweet. Moo-moos and piggies for Christmas. Okay. Let's go back out and find some more. Got my tools, got some extra batteries. Gotta be prepared when you go street scrap. Bed rails and something from a car. Yeah, the Buccaneers are on. Sweet. Yeah. Any goodies that I want? Looks pretty pick clean. Oh, a piece of metal. Oh, a piece of metal, aluminum. That's it. Hey, Incognito, did you lose something? I found it. Look, Brenda, another peacock. And Kim, peacock chair. A little chunk of all thread. We'll take that. Heck yeah. Yeah, of course it's stuck. What do we got? Anything good? Not much. Nope. Oh. Obsession for men. That was all they hit back when I was in high school. My favorite friend.
Hey, what's up, my friend? How are you?
Good. What channel are you going to watch now?
Is Golf Coast SR stripper?
That's right. Thank you very much. All right, you have a good day. It's a nice looking granite countertop. There's only one problem. It's too heavy. Whew. We'll break it down. It's pretty clean. They said it didn't turn on, and we'll go from there. Then we got the scrap from yesterday. Doesn't look like that much, but it's got some weight in there. The tire was full this morning. Got some stainless steel, some aluminum, some brassy copper bits that came off the hot water heater. We'll process that more later. And I got more heavy iron, which I'm hanging on to that. Now I got some welders, I got plans. Okay, she's tied down. I gotta go across the street and pick up a stove and a few other pickups. We're gonna pile it up. On my first pickup, got an old stove, Honda, lawnmower, battery, 2 more welders. Cool. Just check them out. And we got another lawnmower, an air compressor, some Romex, sweet, a pressure washer, some you know, ubiquitous. There's the second pile he pulled out. Couple shop lights, some looks like pool metal. All right, let's load up what we can load up, and if we gotta come back, we'll come back. For these, it's getting quite full. All right, I have to come back and get the big goodies they got over there. I got one more stop for some smalls. I'm gonna put some air in that tire. Rain action today. Good morning, ma'am. Hey, puppy dog, I remember you. I seen you last week. Can you say soupy? Wow. Kind of goodies. Brassy boys. Oh yeah. He'll be right back. Wow. Nice. Stripping material. Nice. Heck yeah. Telephone. Ooh. Peaks are getting big. Still waiting for the last phone call. Oh, what's in the dumpy? I don't know. My Ford's all jacked up. Woo! Oh yeah, warning noise. Some more from the process from this weekend. The only thing I have left is the air conditioner and the Christmas lights, which I may have them sold because I tested all of them. And I have 3 grocery store bags with 6 sets of lights in each bag. So I might get $5 a bag from them. I always got friends looking for Christmas lights. So nothing wrong with reusing them. Better than 10 cents a pound. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, please subscribe, and share me out. Have a great day, and God bless.